Hey everyone! For today's video, I'm doing a small little book nook, and the kit was sent to me by QDB. And the theme for this kit is The Little Prince. I'm sure everyone knows the story, and it's a much beloved book. So the kit itself comes with all the necessary parts. You get a bag with all the wiring and the lights, and then you get a little booklet with all the instructions and the pre-cut plates. There are two versions of this kit. The one I chose is the scene from the little prince still on his asteroid, but the other kit is when the little prince arrives on Earth and meets up with the fox. The kit does come with a dust cover. I just didn't show it in the video because it kept reflecting my ring lights. But I'm really happy with how the kit turned out. It's very adorable and ideal for anyone that's a fan of the book. It's not a very difficult kit. I would say it's a very beginner-friendly one. So I hope you guys check out QDB's website, and I will see you in the next one.